Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the videos. What we are getting into today is, after I made that 100,000 mile video on the GTO, the water pump went out. So well played, Pontiac. On a good note is I got the wheels done on the Z, which I'll show you here in a moment. We put my spare tires on the back, which are 275 35 18s, and they fit so perfect on the Z. Alright, the mission came to go slide, so that's what we're doing. Yeah. Lakefield, here, you do it. All right. So, be close to. Here, I can move too.
Yeah, you should pull up more where he is.
Okay, so all right, we came to slide. We're setting up some figure eights, but I forgot. I lost my gas cap yesterday, and they made me stop because I was flinging my gas straight out the car. So Tremaine's laughing at me over here. I had no idea. Look at, you can see. Hold on, I gotta move. I'll move into his spot. I know power steering's no joke though. Man, this boy could drive.
And second.
You hot though? Huh? No, that's gas, bro. Coolant? That could have been him. Oh, he said he was boiling. Hey, I got it too. Bro, that boy was getting it.
That was a vicious setup.
Yeah, Medine, teach me your ways. Bro, power steering is a must. That was tough. It'd start going and I'm like, yeah, I don't got it.
You got your phone, Trey?
It's a, dang. They're doing good though.
Federales.
It turned into this. Oh, damn, that sucked. I started off good. I get a lot of understeer. I also, you know, the meats. The meats. I was losing so much gas. Oh man.
Why my shit's not sliding? Are y'all sliding around that circle?
Yeah, I lost my gas cap, so Dean was killing it though.
I still don't want to slide. That's because I was in second.
I fucked up because the flash turned on. So you could see all these.
Damn.
Well, that was all tire fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's official, our crew has heating problems.
That looks sick
Yeah,
though.
that one was close as fuck.
Dang, Seuss.
Hey man, what's got right now? I was ready to drive.
You were?
Yeah. That was so sick.
Does it look cool?
Hell yeah, it
You-
looks cool.
Sheesh. Them boys is wild. Them boys is wild.
Smoked out the face.
I'm throwing gas. He's burning out in the diesel. Yeah. Dean almost taking his Seuss out. I lost the gas cap, so it's throwing gas everywhere.
Oh, you left it at the gas station?
Alright guys, so I was having a tough time sliding. Number one, I lost my gas cap, and I forgot that I lost my gas cap yesterday. So when I was doing the donuts, you know, I was flinging gas everywhere, so I had to stop. So I ended up just filming the boys. So now I gotta go get a gas cap, which is cool. Also gotta throw some power steering. Man, I was having such a hard time doing any kind of sliding with this thing. So it's all good. It's a learning process. But first of many videos of getting loose with the boys.
It's the time for games and it's the time to kill. Make up your mind, baby, cause the